Welcome, souls feeling the pull of fate. If this reading hit your feed, the universe timed it. We're zooming on February 25th to 30, 2026, right after the Aquarius eclipse reset, as Pisces season deepens and Mercury stations retrograde in Pisces on the 25th. This window is thick with intuition, emotional revisits, old connections bubbling up, and that it was always going to happen certainty. Mercury retrograde in Pisces brings miscommunications, but also heart-level reconnections. Axes from the past resurface, messages delayed but destined. Saturn-Neptune conjunction energy lingers, making things feel karmic and inevitable. No coincidences. If you felt their energy hovering, cards say the text was inevitable. They reach out soon in this exact week. Breathe slow. Ground. Question: why was the text inevitable? What proof in cards shows they reach out February 25th to 30? Deck shuffled, channeling Pisces retrograde vibe, dreams, intuition, fated closure. Focusing on their side, past inevitability, current realization, trigger. 5 cards, past sense of inevitability, current hidden certainty, trigger forcing outreach, incoming text details, outcome, and proof. First card, past sense of inevitability, the wheel of fortune reversed, cycles stuck or resisted. Upright wheel is fate turning, reversed means delay or fighting destiny. In the past, they knew deep down this connection circles back, but pride, fear, or timing blocked it. They felt the pull but pushed it away. Pisces retrograde energy now unstuck it. The wheel turns anyway. Past proves it was always coming back, inevitable despite resistance. Second card, current hidden certainty, the moon. Subconscious truths, illusion, intuition, hidden feelings. Right now, they're in a fog of emotions, dreams, gut hits, what if thoughts non-stop. Moon shows they always knew on soul level they'd reach out. Mercury retrograde in Pisces amps this. Old feelings rise, intuition screams, do it. Hidden certainty, quiet knowing it's time, no escape. Third card, trigger forcing outreach, Ace of Cups, emotional overflow, new feelings or renewal of old love. Trigger this week, heartburst, sudden wave of compassion, nostalgia, or clarity. Ace pours pure emotion. Retrograde makes it feel like unfinished business. They knew it was inevitable. Trigger is the cup overflowing, can't hold back. For February 25th to 30, text comes from pure heart urge. So far, resisted fate, wheel rev, meets subconscious pull, moon. Emotional trigger, Ace of Cups, sets move. Proof builds, inevitable from start. Early signs text inevitable, February 25th to 30. Sudden calm knowing it's coming. Their symbols/numbers repeat hard. Dreams show message or talk. Gut says they can't avoid it. Synchronicities feel scripted. Fourth card, incoming text details. Knight of Cups reversed. Romantic energy blocked or delayed. Upright Knight is heartfelt charge. Reversed means hesitation, mood swings, or emotional confusion. In February 25th to 30th, the text still comes, but it's not smooth, maybe typed then deleted, or sent with mixed feelings. Mercury retrograde in Pisces causes this. Words feel off, timing awkward, but inevitability wins. They reach out anyway, short, vulnerable, like I don't know why, but I had to message you. Reversed Knight proves, even with doubt, the pull was too strong to ignore. Fifth card, outcome and proof. The star reversed, hope dimmed, but returning. Upright star is wish fulfillment. Reversed means doubt, disconnection, or delayed healing. Outcome, text arrives, brings some clarity or spark, but full renewal takes time. Proof in cards. Wheel Rev, resisted fate, to Moon, subconscious knowing, to Ace of Cups, emotional trigger, to Night Rev, delayed but inevitable message, to Star Rev, hope flickering back on. The spread screams. It was always coming. Retrograde just slowed the delivery. They reach out soon, February 25th to 30 seals it. Full tie-in, resisted destiny, Wheel Rev, hid in intuition, Moon. Emotional overflow triggers, Ace of Cups, despite hesitation, Night Rev. Hope reignites slowly, Star Rev. February 25th to 30 window is the moment. Pisces retrograde plus post-eclipse made the inevitable text happen. Universe timed it perfectly. They couldn't escape it. What their inevitable energy looks like daily this week. Typing your name in search bar, closing quick. Feeling random guilt waves, rereading old chats at 2 a.m. Thinking, this is stupid, but I have to. Quiet acceptance, it's happening. Full shocking signs, the text is inevitable. February 25th to 30. Their names/symbols repeat 4+ times daily. Sudden peace about them, no anger left. Dreams show phone lighten up with their message. Repeating numbers explode. 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 9, 9, 9. Shared songs play on shuffle non-stop, feeling their presence without reason. Old photos/memories surface randomly. Phone feels heavy or charged before check. Gut says, today or tomorrow, clearly. Synchronicities triple, number plus, song plus name. No chase energy, just knowing. Retrograde glitches, delayed notifications, feel meaningful. Calm confidence. It's done. Universe drops confirmations every hour. Text lands when you stop thinking about it. Extended advice for February 25th to 30. One focused action daily. Drop content. Tweak AI setup. Outreach. Don't reply fast. Mirror their hesitation with calm power. Affirm 3 times per day. The text was inevitable. Arrives this week perfectly. Log signs in Notes app. Proof builds momentum. Cold mindset. Hungry, grateful, zero emotion. Use Pisces retrograde. Trust intuition. Don't over-explain. No forcing. Let fate deliver. Celebrate quietly when it hits. Keep pushing for more cash. Affirmation. The text was inevitable. Universe timed it for February 25th to 30. I stay detached, open, aligned. Everything flows smooth. So it is. If this reading landed deep, like subscribe, bell on, comment inevitable to claim, drop sign or next focus, love, money, shifts. Thanks for tuning in. Stay aligned. The week is fated. Use every second.